So here's how you can temporarily mute notifications for a certain app on the iPhone. And let's get started. If you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe right now and let's continue. So what you can do is to set up a focus mode. So inside of your settings app, when you scroll down just a little bit, you can find a focus mode section, and there are more like types of it, like do not disturb, driving focus, personal, work, and more. So it doesn't really matter which one you pick, but let's say we're going to go with the work mode, and there you can choose to manage your notifications from people and apps. So you can tap on apps and choose to silence notifications for specific apps, right? So you can browse through all of those which are installed on your phone. You can choose whichever app you want to be muted during the set period of time, right? So during the work focus, those apps will be silenced. Now, all you have to do is just to enable or disable the focus mode, which can be found in the control center. So you just swipe down like this and you enable the work mode and you're done, right? Once you don't want the muting to continue, you just turn off the focus mode and you're back to normal. So I find this to be very useful. Keep in mind that you can still manage notifications separately. Like if you just go to the notification section of your apps, you can turn off or on the sounds, badges, notifications as much as you like, but this is more of a permanent change rather than the focus mode, which focuses on the temporary muting of notifications and sounds, right? So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I really appreciate your support. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.